Welcome. If you want a little more privacy on Telegram, hiding your last seen status is a quick and powerful way to do it. Whether you're tired of people tracking when you were last online or you just prefer to keep things low-key, this setting gives you full control over your visibility. Let's walk through the updated steps to hide your last seen on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. On most devices, this is either the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your account preferences live. Once you're in Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about controlling who can see your information and how your account behaves. Now, look for the option called Last Seen and Online. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices that determine who can view your activity status. To fully hide your last seen, select Nobody. This means no one on Telegram will be able to see when you were last active, or whether you're currently online. Keep in mind that Telegram works both ways with privacy. If you choose to hide your last seen from others, you also won't be able to see theirs. It's a fair trade-off designed to protect everyone's privacy equally. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've made your Telegram activity completely private. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your time and interactions online. If you ever want to adjust this setting later, just follow the same steps and choose a different option that fits your needs.